Good day everyone, my name is Shankar Johnny from Beauty Betad FSM3A and I'm going to give you a demo teaching about the table timeline. Ano nga ba ang isang table timeline? It is important invention in discoveries of communication, technology, film and information system mula 1802 to 1923. Maraming breakthrough ito tulad ng telegraph, motion pictures at photography effects, special effects at pagbuo ng mga TV camera. Let's talk about the 1802 table timeline. 1802, the Library of the Congress invention of the carbon arc lamp. Dito na ginawa yung National Library ng United States. Ginawa ito for making the center of knowledge and archives ng bansa. It is invented for the first electric arc in between two carbon rods para gumawa ng maliwanag na dalawang ilaw. Let's go into the 1824. 1824, the research on persistence of vision published. Dito na-discover na kahit mawala ang isang image o litrato, nananatili pa rin ito sa isang milliseconds ng mata. Importante ito because dito na nakabase ang paggawa ng animation and motion pictures. The next one is the 1830s. In 1830s, first viable design for Lady Byron writes the world's first computer program. Si Charles Babbage ang unang mag-design ng mechanical computer. Pero si Ada Lovelace o Lady Byron is iisa lamang. Ang first gumawa ng program for analytical engine and siya ang first computer programmer sa history. Let's go in 1837. In 1837, the invention of the telegraph in Great Britain and the US. Ang nag-create ng device kung saan nagpadala ng mga messages and using electric signals. Ito yung nagpauso ng mga long-distance communication at nag-lead sa development ng mga telepono. The next one is the 1861. 1861 is the motion pictures were projected on the screen. Mas nag-level up ang early film ng technology dito dahil ang unang beses na nag-project ang moving images sa mga malalaking screen. We have also our 1876. 1876, Dewey Decimal System was introduced, wherein yung sistema ng panahon na to ay ginagamit para sa mga library para magkaroon ng organized ng mga books at mas hindi mahirapan yung mga gumagamit ito para hanapin kung anong shelves po ba yung naayon sa mga librong hinahanap nila. We have also the 1877. In 1877, Edward Muybridge demonstrated high-speed photography. Siya yung gumawa ng serye ng rapid photos na mukhang gumagalaw at dito rin nagsimula ang motion pictures. We up into the next one, 1902. In 1902, motion picture special effects were released. Ito yung unang beses na gumamit ng isang visual effects sa mga pelikula. At nag-start na rin yung mga fantasy at sci-fi films. In 1906, Lee De Forest invented the electronic amplifying tube or triode. Triode vacuum tube naman is nagpapalakas sa mga electrical signals. Naging mahalaga ito sa mga radio, telephones, and early computers. In 1923, television camera tube was invented by Zurbuchen. Siya naman ang unang naka-invent ng table kung saan kaya niya mag-convert ng mga images gamit ang electrical signals. Dito din nag-start ang modern television at broadcasting. And that's all for the table timeline. I hope you gained some knowledge about the topic. Thank you for watching!
Good day everyone! So today our topic is all about the evolution of man and information. And by the way, I am Wilmina Jahari. I am the last reporter of Group 13. So our topic is all about the evolution of man and information. As man evolved, information in its dissemination has also evolved in many ways. Eventually, we no longer kept them to ourselves. Instead, we share them and manage them in different means. Information got ahead of us. It started to grow at the rate we were unprepared to handle. Okay, class, so let's discuss first about the human's evolution. So, the human's evolution, nagsimula siya around 7 million years ago. So, maraming klaseng early humans ang lumitaw, but mostly sa kanila is namatay na. And yung mga nakasurvive, yun na yung naging ninuno ng modern humans. Hanggang sa natutunan na nilang tumayo sa dalawang paa, gumamit ng tools, and magsalita. And at the same time, natutunan na din nila kung paano mag-share ng kanilang kaalaman or knowledge, no, which help them to survive. So, yun na nga, they develop many skills, right? Which made them different from other animals. So, their brains grew bigger hanggang sa nakagawa na sila ng arts, groups, and societies, no? And natutunan na din nilang mag-adapt ng iba't ibang environment. Okay, so now let's proceed to the evolution of information, no? So, the evolution of information, kung paano nag-evolve yung sharing of information sa paglipas ng panahon. So before, they sharing knowledge through talking and storytelling. Then later on, nagsimula na silang magsulat sa bato or stone or even sa walls hanggang sa ma-invent na yung papers, and then to printing press, and finally the digital technology. So in short, mas napadali ang pagbahagi ng information, no, sa kanila. And as the time pass, kung nasan man tayo ngayon, we are now using the computers, phones, and the internet na mas pinadali sa atin gumamit, magbahagi and makakuha ng information, right? Okay, so for overall, ang evolution ng information is from talking to writing, to printing, to digital technology, no? It shows na sinusubukan talaga ng mga tao to share, keep, and grow knowledge. And because of this, it has helped improve science, education, culture, and also the way tayo makipag-communicate worldwide. So, that's all for my topic. Thank you.